Push me.
No, you go there.
Push me.
This is he's a professor as well.
No, I've known him by name.
This is the speaker of the Uganda Luchi, Patrick Mungule. This is Minister in charge of special assignment, David Mpanga. I think you know him from the...